Have you noticed that some bedrooms instantly feel calm the moment you walk into them? There's no clutter competing for attention. No oversized furniture crowding the room. No flashy decorations demanding to be noticed. Instead, everything feels intentional. Warm wood tones, clean lines, soft textures, open space. The room seems to breathe. And more often than not, that feeling comes from a design style that has quietly become one of the fastest growing interior trends in the world. It's called Japandi, a beautiful fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. Over the last few years, searches for Japandi-inspired interiors have exploded across home decor platforms, design magazines, Pinterest boards, and social media feeds. Homeowners everywhere are embracing its balance between simplicity and comfort. And honestly, it's easy to understand why. In a world filled with distractions, people are craving spaces that feel peaceful. They're looking for homes that reduce stress rather than create it. They're seeking quality over quantity, function over excess, calm over chaos. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're exploring one of the most practical and beautiful projects you can build in this style, a floating wooden bedside table. It's elegant. It's minimalist. It's surprisingly affordable. And it perfectly captures everything that makes Japandi design so appealing. More importantly, this project proves that high-end furniture doesn't require a luxury budget. With thoughtful design, simple materials, and careful craftsmanship, you can create a piece that looks like it belongs in a designer's showroom while spending only a fraction of what retail stores charge. Let's dive in. Its elevation. Before we begin building, it's worth understanding why Japandi has become such a powerful trend. Interior design styles come and go. Some enjoy a brief moment in the spotlight before disappearing. Others endure because they solve a real problem. Japandi falls into that second category. For years, many homes followed extremes. Some embraced stark minimalism that felt cold and impersonal. Others filled rooms with endless decorative objects, creating visual clutter and overwhelming spaces. Japandi emerged as a response to both. It combines the clean simplicity of Japanese design with the warmth and comfort of Scandinavian interiors. The result feels balanced. Minimal but inviting. Simple but not empty. Elegant without feeling expensive. This balance resonates with modern homeowners. People want beautiful spaces, but they also want practical spaces. They want rooms that support daily life while still feeling visually inspiring. Japandi achieves this remarkably well. Every object has a purpose. Every material contributes meaningfully. Nothing feels unnecessary. And perhaps most importantly, the style celebrates craftsmanship. Natural materials. Thoughtful construction. Quality over quantity. These values make woodworking projects particularly well-suited to Japandi interiors. Few pieces illustrate this philosophy better than a floating bedside table. Traditional nightstands often occupy valuable floor space. They can make small bedrooms feel crowded. They create visual weight. Floating furniture solves these challenges. By mounting directly to the wall, the furniture appears lighter. The floor remains visible. The room feels larger, airier, more open. This illusion is one of the reasons floating furniture has become increasingly popular among designers. It creates simplicity without sacrificing function. And in Japandi design, simplicity is everything. Imagine walking into a bedroom at the end of a long day. A comfortable bed sits against the wall. Soft lighting creates a warm glow. Natural wood introduces texture. Beside the bed, a floating wooden table appears to emerge effortlessly from the wall. A book rests neatly on its surface. Perhaps a ceramic vase. Maybe a small lamp. Nothing excessive. Nothing distracting. Just enough. That phrase, just enough, captures the essence of Japandi perfectly. The floating bedside table becomes more than furniture. It becomes a reflection of intentional living. As we begin selecting materials, natural would immediately take center stage. One reason Japandi interiors feel so inviting is their relationship with nature. Rather than relying heavily on synthetic materials, They embrace wood, linen, stone, cotton, and other organic textures. These materials age beautifully. They feel authentic. They create emotional warmth. For this project, even modest hardwood or quality plywood can produce stunning results. Expensive exotic lumber isn't necessary. What matters most is the grain, the texture, the character. Simple materials become beautiful when treated with respect. This idea lies at the heart of both Scandinavian and Japanese design philosophies. Beauty doesn't require extravagance. It requires intention. As the wood is prepared, the design begins to take shape. One of the defining characteristics of Japandi furniture is restraint. There are no unnecessary curves, no excessive ornamentation, no decorative features added purely for attention. Instead, the focus remains on proportion, balance, function. Every line serves a purpose. Every detail contributes to the whole. This discipline can feel challenging at first. Many beginner furniture makers assume complexity creates sophistication. In reality, simplicity is often harder. When fewer elements exist, every decision matters more. Small imperfections become more visible. Craftsmanship becomes more important. The furniture cannot hide behind decoration. And that's exactly why Japandi pieces feel so refined. They rely on quality rather than distraction. As assembly begins, another important lesson emerges. Minimalist furniture still requires strong construction. The floating table may appear lightweight, but it must safely support daily use. Books, phones, lighting, decorative objects. The structure must remain stable and dependable. Strong joinery becomes essential. Hidden reinforcement creates confidence. The user never sees these details. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Yet they experience the results every day. This invisible craftsmanship defines truly great furniture. The strongest design decisions are often the ones nobody notices. As the table comes together, something remarkable happens. The project starts looking expensive. Not because costly materials were added. Not because luxury hardware was installed. But because thoughtful proportions and clean construction naturally create elegance. This is one of the most powerful lessons intermediate woodworkers discover. Good design often matters more than expensive materials. A carefully designed project made from affordable wood can outperform poorly designed furniture, costing many times more. The floating bedside table demonstrates this beautifully. Its simplicity becomes its strength. As sanding begins, the surface gradually transforms. Tool marks disappear. Edges soften. The wood becomes pleasant to touch. This stage deserves patience. Luxury furniture communicates quality through both appearance and feel. The tactile experience matters. Every hand that touches the surface should sense care and craftsmanship. In Japandi interiors, texture plays an important role. Because decorative elements remain limited, material quality becomes more noticeable. Wood grain, fabric texture, natural finishes. These details create richness without creating clutter. A properly sanded wooden surface feels inviting, comforting, human. As finishing products are applied, the grain comes alive. Colors deepen. Patterns emerge. Character becomes visible. This transformation never gets old. A piece that once looked ordinary suddenly feels special. The finish doesn't hide the wood. It reveals it. And revealing natural beauty is one of the core principles of Japandi design. Rather than covering materials, the style celebrates them. The wood is allowed to be wood. The grain is allowed to remain visible. Imperfections become part of the story. Authenticity replaces perfection. This mindset explains why so many people find Japandi interiors emotionally comforting. The spaces feel real, honest, grounded. Once installed on the wall, the floating bedside table begins transforming the room itself. The floor remains open. Visual clutter decreases. The bedroom immediately feels larger. This effect is especially valuable in apartments, smaller homes, and modern bedrooms where every square foot matters. Floating furniture creates breathing room, and breathing room creates calm. Psychologically, open space has a powerful impact. When environments feel less crowded, people often feel less stressed. The room becomes more relaxing, more restorative, more aligned with the purpose of a bedroom. This connection between design and well-being is another reason Japandi continues growing in popularity. People aren't merely decorating differently. They're living differently. They're choosing environments that support peace rather than distraction. The floating bedside table contributes to that goal. Its role isn't simply storage. Its role is simplification, a place for essentials, a surface for intentional objects, a reminder that not every empty space needs to be filled. This philosophy extends far beyond furniture. It becomes a lifestyle. And perhaps that's why Japandi ranks so well across design-related searches. People aren't searching for furniture. They're searching for a feeling. The feeling of calm, the feeling of order, the feeling of coming home and immediately relaxing. Furniture becomes a tool for creating that experience. For content creators and woodworking enthusiasts, this trend presents an exciting opportunity. Budget-friendly Japandi builds consistently perform well because they solve a real problem. Viewers want designer aesthetics without designer prices. They want practical projects that improve their homes. They want furniture that feels modern but timeless. A floating bedside table checks all those boxes. It's approachable, useful, beautiful, searchable, and highly shareable. The project appeals to homeowners, renters, DIY enthusiasts, minimalist design fans, and woodworking audiences alike. That's a rare combination. Most importantly, it demonstrates that luxury isn't defined by cost. Luxury is defined by intention. A thoughtfully crafted floating bedside table can feel more luxurious than a room full of expensive but poorly chosen furniture. Because luxury today isn't about excess. It's about quality, purpose, meaning. As you step back and look at the completed project, the transformation becomes obvious. A few pieces of wood have become something far more significant. Not just furniture, a design statement, a practical solution, a reflection of a lifestyle centered around simplicity and craftsmanship. The floating bedside table quietly performs its function day after day, holding a book, supporting a lamp, providing a place for everyday essentials. Yet it also contributes something less tangible. It contributes atmosphere. It helps create a bedroom that feels calmer, more organized, more intentional. And in today's busy world, that may be one of the most valuable things furniture can provide. Because great design isn't about impressing people. It's about improving daily life. The best furniture doesn't demand attention. It quietly makes everything around it better. And that's exactly what this floating Japandi bedside table accomplishes. Simple materials, thoughtful design, careful craftsmanship, a timeless result. Proof that beautiful living doesn't require more things. Sometimes it simply requires better ones. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.